Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Universiade University of Lida 2. Today, we're going to present our sixth lecture titled Risk in Insurance. So I have divided my last lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is risk insurance? Types of risk in insurance, language activities, how to use lead, and finally our assessment. So, what is risk insurance? Risk refers to the probable disadvantageous and desirable or unprofitable outcome of fortuitous event, an event which is not desired but taking place in professional risk assessments. Risk combines the probability of an event occurring with the impact that event would be and with its different circumstances. So, a risk manager evaluates the potential risk of a business and strategizes preventive measures. In addition, risk managers determine risk appetites, prepare risk budgets, present risk reports, and train employees to enhance risk awareness. Second element, what are the different types of risk in insurance? Types of risk in insurance are financial and non-financial risks, pure and speculative risk, and finally, fundamental and particular risks. Third element, language activities. How to use led. Led is the simple past tense of the verb to lead. It means you were put in a position to lead a group of people you work with. According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, is to control a group of people, a country, or a situation. For examples, Amin has led many talks over the years. Khaled led my co-workers through the difficult period when our boss worked out. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attentions.